Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Baby Bonk Coin. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar, you simply need to type coinmarketcap.com. This will land you on the official website of CoinMarketCap, where you need to use the search bar, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for Baby Bonk. Now once you have found Baby Bonk, you simply need to tap on it, and then you just have to scroll down and you need to copy the wallet address of it. As you can see over here that the Baby Bonk coin is on the BNB smart chain, so you need to copy the address from here, and then you need to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. After that, you will have to make sure that you have enough BNB in your account in order to bear the transaction. So if you don't have it, then you will have to tap on BNB, and after that you need to tap on the buy option. Then you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase, and after that you will have to tap on the buy option. On the next page, you just have to confirm your payment. This way you will be able to get BNB in your Trust Wallet account. Now once you have BNB in your account, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you need to tap on the featured and scroll down and then tap on PancakeSwap. Once done, you will be landed on the official website of pancakeswap.finance, where you need to press the connect button in the top, and you simply need to connect your Trust Wallet with it. After that, by default, it will be set as the Ethereum main network, so you need to tap on it and then you need to change it to BNB chain. After that, in the swap option, you will have to keep it as BNB, but in the cake section you will have to tap on this drop arrow button. Then in the search bar, you simply need to paste the contract address that we have just copied from CoinMarketCap. Here you will be able to see Baby Bonk coin, so you need to tap on the import button right next to it, then tap on I understand and press import. Then you need to enter the amount of BNB that you want to spend in order to purchase the Baby Bonk coin. After that, you need to tap on the swap option in the bottom. Then after waiting for some time, your swap will be processed, and once it is completed successfully, you will be able to easily buy your Baby Bonk coin. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.